Nobody can love you like I do. Nobody can hold you like I do. Nobody can love you like I do. Nobody can hold you like I do.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to CCTV, and today we're going to be doing a prank on my mom. My sister Cameron, she's going to be sneezing on my mom, and she hates it, bro. She finna be mad. Y'all finna get a good reaction out of this because my mama been at her about sneezing and stuff, and she pregnant and everything, so my mom finna be at her. So please like, comment, and subscribe. We're finna hurry up and get into this prank, y'all, so I can see this reaction, and subscribe. Let's go.
Trust me, they are very well taken. You keep your finger off that trigger. Somebody wants to get through. Walk out.
Nothing solid. See, we need to get you back to the hospital. No, you still be there. We need to all these things.
It's okay, Mom.
No, it ain't okay.
It just
Shut up.
It just slid.
Go see it. Okay.
I got whooping in a long time. Oh, you gonna whoop the pregnant lady?
He's sitting at the worst table in the place.
Oh, man.
And he sat with his back to the corner.
I'm sorry, Mom.
And don't open up my lemonade tea, you motherfucker.
Hold on, wait. It wasn't a prank. It wasn't a prank. It wasn't a prank.
It was a prank. Look, Mom. It was water. I ain't sneeze on you for real.
I got my damn drawers on, bitch.
Dang.
Or cut half, like, cut
Yeah.
the bottom out.
Cut it down. I mean, whatever.
Period, please. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, I look toe up. No, stop the cap. Stop the cap. That was you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, we go.
Why, oh why, you stay and cry every night. You stay, I don't